Yo, you guys hear that?
Yo, Jaden, give him all the light. Give me the light, give me the light. You being scared?
I'm doing a recording.
Alright guys, this thing is crazy out here. AJ got red eyes in the cameras, you know. AJ, turn around. Say what's up.
Bro, this is scary for real.
This is scary stuff. Making some noises.
Yo, look at this. This is scary, bro.
Very scary.
Nah, bro, stop playing.
Pop out the gut. I'm just kidding. This is not scary, guys. This is a freaking Jesus' house. So why are we scared?
We don't know why we're back here. We're just doing this because I want to do some type of adventure and stuff. So sorry, guys.
Jaden, get off here, man.
I am right here.
Like his story. Yeah, because look, that's him down. And this is him rising. Rising,
I dare one of y'all to get in there.
No.
I don't know. Yeah, do y'all see that first thing right there?
That's
Oh, that's a mess.
I dare one of y'all to get in there.
No.
Bob.
One of y'all, I'll give y'all a quarter.
No.
Bro, this is Jesus. What's gonna happen?
Don't do it.
Y'all not doing that? Okay, that's fine with me. Oh.
Yo, run. You heard, y'all guys heard that noise? Just start running, please.